let's get the disc on. Now, the C discs, here's the disc that I'll be putting on. As you see on there, the grooves are spinning that way round. So make sure that the C grooves are also spinning the right way, which they are. Yeah, just whack it all back together now. Right, hub carriers back on. Just greased up the slider pins, put them back in. Now we need to get the brake pads and put them in. Oh, I'm just checking to make sure they're the right size and the right shape, which they are. Nice. Plug them in like that. Lovely jubbly.